Have you ever been plagued with the question of how to discover the most profitable products to feature on Amazon? The answer is concealed within Amazon's bestsellers list, a treasure chest filled to the brim with the most sought-after items based on sales. This comprehensive list, updated every hour on the hour, is meticulously organized into a multitude of departments and niches. You may wonder, what makes the bestsellers list so significant? The answer lies in the valuable insights it provides into real-time consumer preferences and market trends. It's like having a window into the consumer's mind, enabling you to understand their purchasing decisions. This knowledge is crucial in determining what products would work best for your business, offering a guideline on the type of merchandise that is currently resonating with buyers. The bestsellers list is also a crucial tool in understanding the strategies employed by your competitors. By observing which products are topping the lists in specific categories, you get a snapshot of what your competitors might be doing correctly. Whether they're providing in-demand products, utilizing effective marketing strategies, or offering competitive pricing, the sellers list can offer a glimpse into their successful tactics. This way, you can learn from their strategies and apply them to your own business, ensuring that you stay competitive in the ever-evolving marketplace of Amazon. Thus, keeping a vigilant eye on the bestsellers list isn't merely advisable, but it's a necessity for anyone who wants to thrive in the dynamic world of Amazon sales. Jungle Scout is a go-to tool when it comes to identifying top-selling Amazon products. It offers in-depth features such as product research functionalities that bring to you estimates of sales, data on prevailing market trends, and competitive analysis. By using Jungle Scout, you can easily dig into different product niches to find the most profitable ones and estimate the demand for a specific product. The tool also lets you monitor your competition and staying ahead of the curve. Helium 10 is another robust suite of tools that aids in keyword and product research along with market analysis. It allows you to uncover high-demand products and optimize your product listings for better visibility and reach. It offers an array of features like Black Box, X-Ray, and Magnet which help you with product discovery, product validation, and keyword aggregation respectively. Next in line is Keepa, a price tracker tool that also provides historical sales data. This tool proves to be highly valuable for understanding the pricing trends and sales history of products on Amazon. With Keepa, you can easily track price drops and get insights into the price variations of a particular product over a period of time. Camel is a notable tool that offers price drop alerts and price history charts, a wonderful resource for tracking the pricing strategies of best-selling products. This tool gives you an insight into the past pricing strategies of your competitors, thereby helping in devising your own pricing plans. Lastly, we have AMS Scout, a comprehensive tool that offers functionalities such as product research, sales estimations, and trend tracking. With AMS Scout, you can identify profitable products and assess the competition in the market. It also gives you accurate sales estimates and the ability to track trends, making it easier to anticipate market shifts and adjust your strategies accordingly. In order to dive deep into the analysis of Amazon's bestsellers data, it's crucial to consider several factors. The product's bestsellers rank, BSR, in its respective category, can serve as a strong indicator of its popularity. The BSR is a calculated ranking based on the product's sales, hence the more competitive the sales rank, the higher the popularity. Additionally, pay attention to the number of positive reviews a product has garnered. A significant number of positive reviews not only indicate the product's acceptance within the market, but can also offer insights into the quality and customer satisfaction associated with the product. Furthermore, scrutinizing the product's price fluctuations over a specified period can provide invaluable insights into its market demand. Changes in price can indicate increased demand during specific seasons, effective market trends, or a response to competitor pricing. Recognizing these patterns can provide strategic advantages in understanding the product's performance in the market. When considering the criteria for selecting products to sell, demand and popularity should be at the top of your list. Demand refers to how much of your product potential customers want at any given time. High-demand products are consistently sought after, regardless of season or trends. On the other hand, products with growing popularity are trending upwards, perhaps due to emerging trends or shifts in consumer tastes. Competition should also be a key consideration. This refers to how many other sellers are offering the same or similar products. While high competition can mean a bustling, it can also mean a saturated one. This is why sometimes, less competitive niches could offer better opportunities. Here, you could carve out a unique space for your business with a smaller but more dedicated customer base. Finally, always evaluate cost versus potential profit margins. This means you need to assess how much it will cost you to source, produce, and sell the product, then compare that to how much you can potentially sell it for. A high profit margin indicates a good return on your investment. However, be sure to be wary of products that might only during certain times of the year. These seasonal products could leave you with surplus stock during off-peak times, thus affecting your cash flow and storage costs. In summary, the ideal product to sell is one that has high demand, faces moderate competition, and offers a good profit margin. Now let's delve deeper into some more refined strategies for tracking down bestsellers. The goldmine of information that Amazon's advanced search features possess can be exploited to sift through products using various criteria such as sales rank, reviews, and new arrivals. This method brings out the cream of the crop, highlighting the most successful products for your perusal. Staying updated with industry reports cannot be emphasized enough. These reports, often overlooked, can provide a wealth of knowledge on the trends and potential high-demand products. The products that are in demand today could be tomorrow's bestsellers. Social media channels, meanwhile, have become an indispensable tool for market research. They offer real-time data on what products are trending and gaining popularity. Not only do they provide insights into the customer's perspective, but they can also help you stay ahead of the competition. Don't forget, the selling community is a resource in itself. Engaging with other sellers through forums and groups to share insights and learn about successful products opens up avenues of knowledge and fosters a sense of community. Each seller has their unique journey, and learning from their experiences can provide valuable tips for finding bestsellers. By combining these strategies, you can enhance your chances of finding the next bestsellers in the market. In a nutshell, the pursuit of the best products to sell on Amazon heavily depends on a blend of strategies and tools. The key to success lies in tapping into resources such as Amazon's bestsellers list, and harnessing the power of tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10. These strategies are pivotal in directing you towards products that yield profits. It's crucial to bear in mind factors such as demand, competition, profit margins, and seasonality in your product selection process. Keep an eye on market trends and actively with other sellers. The right strategies and tools are the stepping stones to successful selling on Amazon. Enjoy your selling journey.